time since I've stood in front of the camera to talk to you guys. So here I am today. Isn't that great? I just want to take time out to really appreciate all of you, my subscribers. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all your support over the years. If you're new here, welcome. I do easy to follow sewing DIYs, and sometimes it happens to be a no-sew day. So stick around and make sure to please subscribe and like all the videos and comment please down the videos, because you know I love to hear from you guys, and tell me what you think about, you know, tell me what you think. By the way guys, this video is sponsored by SHEIN.com. A company that stock very affordable clothing, and the items are absolutely beautiful. I love them. The only difference between this online company that sells clothes and the bigger brand names on the high street is that they are very affordable, and I can't remember how much this costs, but I'll be sure to put every information I've left out in the description bar below this video. Yeah, so feel free to check them out and pick some lovely items for yourself as well. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. Please don't forget to stay subscribed, like the videos, and comment until I see you in my next video. Bye bye.
I see the light inside your eyes. You make me feel like I'm awake. I don't know why you make me shine like a star in the sky. I'm okay. I wanna take a breath. I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love. I wanna hold your hand. Don't leave me alone. Don't leave me alone. You take me high. Oh yeah. Be by my side. Be the end. Only you can save me. Only you can save me. My mind like a bottle of wine. I
do also a nurse. I also sometimes happens to be a nursery day, so it depends on my